Here are 10 detailed points about the ear, its structure, and functions. 1. Anatomy of the ear. The ear is divided into three main parts. Outer ear includes the pinna, auricle, and external auditory canal, which gather and direct sound waves to the eardrum. Middle ear contains the tympanic membrane, eardrum, and the ossicles, three small bones, malleus, incus, and stapes. These structures amplify sound vibrations. Inner ear comprises the cochlea, responsible for hearing, and the vestibular system, for balance. 2. Role in hearing. Sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through the ear canal, striking the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates, and the vibrations are transmitted through the ossicles to the cochlea, where they are converted into electrical signals for the brain to interpret. 3. Role in balance. The inner ear's vestibular system contains the semicircular canals and otolith organs. These structures detect head movements and changes in position, helping maintain balance and spatial orientation. 4. The cochlea and hearing. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped, fluid-filled organ. Inside it, tiny hair cells, stereocilia, detect sound vibrations and convert them into electrical signals that travel via the auditory nerve to the brain. 5. Ossicles and sound amplification. The ossicles, malleus, incus, stapes, are the smallest bones in the human body. They amplify sound vibrations from the eardrum before transmitting them to the cochlea through the oval window. 6. The eustachian tube. The eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the throat. It helps equalize air pressure on both sides of the eardrum, which is crucial for proper hearing and avoiding discomfort during altitude changes. 7. Sensitivity to frequency. The human ear can detect a wide range of frequencies, approximately 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The cochlea's hair cells respond differently to high and low frequency sounds, enabling humans to perceive a variety of tones. 8. Common ear problems. Some common ear conditions include hearing loss caused by aging, noise exposure, or infections. Tinnitus, perception of ringing or buzzing without an external sound. Ear infections, especially common in children, often involving the middle ear. Balance disorders, such as vertigo, due to issues in the vestibular system. 9. Protective mechanisms. Cerumen, earwax produced in the ear canal, it traps dust and debris while providing protection against infections. Reflexes, the stapedius muscle in the middle ear contracts to reduce the intensity of loud sounds, protecting the inner ear. 10. Importance of ear health. Regular ear care is essential to prevent infections, maintain hearing ability, and ensure proper balance. Protecting ears from loud noises, cleaning them safely, and seeking medical attention for persistent problems are key to long-term ear health.